Hello everyone. In exercise of combination, we have to remember that the order is not important, but selection is important. Okay, so in combination, order is not important, but the selection is important. Now we will go for the first question. The combination formula is NCR equal n factorial upon r factorial into n minus r factorial. First question, if NC8 equal NC2, find NC2. We have discussed one identity. If NCA equal NCB, then N equal A plus B. Either A equal B or N equal A plus B. So this identity we will use it here. Look here, NC8, NC2. This N is same. So N will be equals to 8 plus 2. Now the question is you have to find NC2. So first we will find out N. So N according to the identity 8 plus 2. So N equal 10. You will get N equal 10. Now we will find out NC2 means 10C2. Now apply the combination formula. 10 factorial upon 2 factorial into 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2 factorial. So this is 10 factorial upon 2 factorial into 8 factorial. I think now you can solve it for the 10 factorial. You can write it as 10 into 9 into 8 factorial. It will be cancelled out. So 10 into 9 into 8 factorial. And the lower one is 2 into 1 into 8 factorial. It will be cancelled out and you will get the answer as 45. Clear? In question 2, determine N if 2NC3 ratio NC3 equal 12 ratio 1. So again we will use the combination identity. This is 2n factorial upon 3 factorial into 2n minus 3 factorial. And ratio, so upon, so it will come like this, n factorial and 3 factorial into n minus 3 factorial. This is equals to 12 upon 1. Now we have to solve it further very carefully. Out of these two, which term we will expand it so that some term will be cancelled out. देखिए इसको expand करेंगे, it will go for the 2n minus 3, 2n minus 4 and so on. But if we will expand this, so we will get 2n into 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 2 into 2n minus 3 factorial. And the denominator 3 factorial and 2n minus 3 factorial is there. Same way here. This is 3 factorial. Out of these two, which one we will expand? Lower part. This part. N minus 1, n minus 2 and so on. And the upper we will keep it as it is so that the term will be cancelled out. N minus 2 and n minus 3 factorial. Now we will cancel the terms. These terms will be cancelled out and the remaining terms will be 2, then 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2 upon n minus 1, n minus 2. This is equals to 12 upon 1. So this is equals to 12 upon 1. We can solve this one further also by taking 2 common. So 2 you can take it common. So it will become 4, 2n minus 1 and it will become n minus 1 and the denominator will be like this equal 12 by 1. ये भी आपका cancel हो जाएगा. Now by doing the cross multiplication you will get the answer of n. You can solve it yourself to get the value of n. Clear? Question third. In question third, how many chords can be drawn through 21 points on a circle? Chords. Always the chords are on the circumference of a circle. So, how many chords can be drawn through 21 points? These are the 21 points. So, if we will make the chord like this, now the question is, how many chords we can make it? So, if you will observe, out of 21 points which are on the circumference of a circle, to make a chord, we have to choose 2 points, isn't it? So, we are here selecting 2 points here. So, out of 21, we are selecting 2. Okay, so this is 21C2, 21 factorial upon 2 factorial into 21 minus 2 factorial. So 21 factorial, 2 factorial and 19 factorial. So 21 into 20 into 19 factorial upon 2 into 19 factorial. Cancel कीजिए. So it will be 210 chords we can make it. Clear? Question fourth. In question fourth, in how many ways 3 boys and 3 girls can be selected from 5 boys and 4 girls? Here selection is written. तो जहाँ selection लिखा हुआ है, we will get the idea that this is related to the combination. So 3 boys and 3 girls from 5 boys and 4 girls. From 5 boys, we are selecting 3 boys. And from 4 girls, we are selecting 3 girls. And by principle of fundamental of counting, multiply to get the answer. Is it clear? Okay. Question 5th. In question 5th, it is written, select 9 balls from 6 red balls, 5 white and 5 blue balls. If selection, again selection is written. So, it's a combination. Has 3 balls of each color. Out of 6 red, we are selecting 3 red balls. Out of 5, again we are selecting 3. And out of again 5 blue, we are selecting 3. Now, multiply them together. So, you have to write the proper statement also along with it. Now, come to question number 6. In question 6 is number of 5 cards combination out of 52 cards. If exactly one is in each combination, exactly there should be one ace. Okay, so we have to find the number of, determine the number of 5 cards combination. Find the number of 5 cards combination out of 52 cards. If exactly one ace in a pack of a card, how many aces are there? There are 4 aces. So out of 4 aces, exactly one ace we needed. So out of 4, we need one ace. Now, exactly is written. So you can't add them further. Means only you will take one ace. Now, out of 52, 4 cards are here. Then the leftover is 48 cards. And one we have already taken it. Selected over here. So, out of 48, you have to make the combination of 5 cards. One is already there. So, the left is 4 cards. Now, multiply them together to get the answer. So, it will be 4 factorial upon 1 factorial into 3 factorial multiply 48 factorial 4 factorial into 44 factorial, and then you can solve it. In question 7, select a team of 11 from 17 players in which only 5 players out of 17 players, only 5 players can bowl. If each team of 11 must include exactly 4 bowlers. 5 players can bowl, and out of 5 players you need exactly 4 bowlers. ठीक है? So from a team of 11 you have to select 11 players. तो हम क्या करेंगे? And exactly you need 4 bowlers over here. So out of 5 we have to exactly take how many? 4 bowlers. And our total players are 17. Okay, total players are 17 and you have to select 11 players. अब यहाँ पे देखते हैं ये क्या हो जाएगा? The left will be 12 players. 5 plus 12 17 and 11 players you have to make it, so it is 7. Now multiply them together. Okay, once again, out of 5 exactly you have to select 4 bowlers. So out of 5 4 bowlers, तो ये 5 players already हो गए. Now the left players, total players are 17. So the left out now is 12 players. Out of 12, how many we have to select now? Total we have to select 11 players. So 4 we have taken it over here. So left is 7. Now 5 factorial, 4 factorial into 1 factorial, 12 factorial, 7 factorial into 5 factorial. Cancel कीजिए and then you can solve further. Clear? In question 8, a bag contains 5 black and 6 red balls. Determine the number of ways in which 2 black and 3 balls can be flexed. Okay, 5 black. Out of 5 black, we have to select 2, and out of 6 red balls, we have to select 3 and multiply together. Then you can 5 factorial, 2 factorial into 3 factorial, multiply 6 factorial, 3 factorial into 3 factorial. Clear? Question 9. In question 9, in how many ways a student choose program of 5 courses if 9 courses are available and 2 specific courses are compulsory for each student? Out of 9 courses, 2 courses are compulsory. Suppose that the courses are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So out of these 9 courses, each and every student has to select specific 2 courses. Means वो 2 courses सबको लेने हैं. So हम मान लेते हैं ये 2 course जो है compulsory हैं. These are compulsory to take it. Now, how many total courses left now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 courses are left. So these 2 courses are compulsory and a student has to choose 5 courses. तो आपके पास total options रह गए 7. Out of 7, how many more the student has to choose? These 2 are already compulsory and total 5 courses. So 2 already compulsory, so the remaining one will be 3. ये 2 courses तो compulsory लेने ही लेने हैं. तो 5 में से ये 2 courses तो रह गए, निकल गए, and the left one will be 5 minus 2, that is 3. Okay, So 7 factorial upon 3 factorial into 4 factorial. Now 7, 6, 5, 4 and this is 3 into 2 into 1 into 4 factorial. Cancel कीजिए. So it is 35. 35 ways are there to select the 5 courses if 2 courses are compulsory to take. Specific 2 courses are compulsory to take. Is it clear? That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.